While Chelsea was busy chasing Moises Caicedo left, right and center, the last time I checked, they almost chased the guy into the bathroom. Didn't they notice that Franck KESSIE was actually available? We could have even spent more in getting this young man. He is just 26. He could also fit in that same position that we are dragging Moises Caicedo for. I stand to be corrected. But as at the time of making this video, I guess it is too late already, because according to Romano Fabrizio, he is on his way, or he will soon be on his way to Saudi Arabia. Ahli is already on his case, and they have verbally gone into good agreement with Barcelona to sign him. 15 million euros is already on ground, and Moises Caicedo, we are even begging Brighton with 80 million pounds. They're still licking their lips. We will think about it. You will think about it. But anyways, he is on his way to Saudi Arabia, and as at the time of making this video again, if everything goes well, if he passes medical, he will be given 3 years contracts. But I trust Pochettino. You know, he's also a man that cannot wait. We can't be waiting for Moises Caicedo all the time. And on that note, Pochettino has gone for a good alternative. Pochettino has now started concurring with everyone that cares to listen that we cannot keep waiting Moises Caicedo, and Brighton will be using it to do pangolo with us. He is now quickly going for alternative, and he is going for Paris Saint-Germain star Leandro Paredes. He is 29, and he's also a staunch, a good defensive midfielder. The only person I pity in this situation is actually Moises Caicedo, because for a long time he has told the club that he wants to leave. He has since given Chelsea green light on the need to move on with his career, but the club wants more from him. They want 100 million pounds. What is the difference between 80 million pounds and 100 million pounds? Yes, there's a big difference anyways. Franck KESSIE is now on his way to Saudi Arabia, and it is going to be, in fact, it's a done deal already. He will be repping Ahli starting from next season, and also believe it is a nice move for him. 50 million euros for Barca on the deal, and 3 years contract will be given to him. And from this side, because Chelsea missed the opportunity of getting this young man, we will always wish him well. And on this note, I will come back.